Hello chosen ones, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable flight in Witchspire. Flight in this game is incredible, allowing you to get to places faster than you would on foot and reach high places that you wouldn't be able to without it. But first, to enable flight and fly yourself, you need to do a series of tasks for you to reach that point. Basically, as long as you follow the main quest, you'll reach a point where you go to the far west of the island. Over here is the Veer's Edge. If you proceed further, there will be a portal that you can enter. Inside it will be a boss that you have to conquer to get the necessary materials to create your very own broom. The Al-Unian Golem is quite an adversary at the level of 10, so it's best that you level up and prepare yourself beforehand. If you have a wand with you, just keep your distance from it and shoot from a distance, or just let your familiar do most of the work for you. Once you defeat the Golem, you'll get the item called Tear of Al-Un. This is the important material required to make a broom. To make a broom, you first have to unlock the recipe in your luminaries, and it also requires a level 4 hearth for you to unlock it. By using the tears you collected, you can also use it to upgrade your hearth from level 3 to level 4. Once you do that, just unlock the recipe along with the spinner before it. When you unlock it, there will be a dialogue that tells you to activate a flight pillar.
You will need to activate the Illumian pillar if you ever wish to take to the skies. Its magic will empower your broom.
Thankfully, there's one completely close by to the north. If you take a look into the map, right over here will be where the flight pillar is located. But for you to activate it, you must go over to this tiny island right next to it. Once you make your way over to it, just go up the stairs right here, and there should be an orb with a rainbow light attached to it, leading up to the flight pillar. And now you've activated flight in the island. Over to your witchcraft circle, the simple broom can be made with spirit dust and fine wood. You can get fine wood by finding a tree with some thick trunks. Just to the south of where you can find the first abandoned hearth is a fine wood tree. Just cut it down and you'll get more than enough fine wood for your broom. With your broom ready, it's time to take to the skies. Equip it by pressing character here and dragging it to the broom slot. And just press V on your keyboard and you can now fly to your heart's content. And that's about it on how to enable flight in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.